Hello guys, and today we have another coin. We call it Cow Protocol. Now Cow Protocol again is another DAO. Nothing wrong with the coin, obviously it's got a lot of products. You've got Cow Swap, Cow Protocol, Cow AMM, MVE Blocker, you've got the Cow Explorer. There's a lot going on with Cow, but however for us we're looking at the market cap at 300 million. So how much more can Cal really go up? As a DAO, as a swap, we've seen so many of these DAO and swap coins now. We know for a fact that it doesn't stay up for too long. It doesn't really go to the moon, these kind of coins. So, if market cap ever gets to 1 billion something, we're definitely going to short it. Fully diluted market cap is already there at 1.4. Obviously, we are still in an uptrend for cows, so we're not going to try to get in because as you can see here, what happens when you try to get in on a uptrend, right? So, when you see like a big uptrend like this, and if you let's say you try to short, here actually this here would have worked, right? This here overbought level, it kind of worked. Here it did not work. Here, did not really work. Here kind of worked. Let's go, here again, definitely did not work. Here did not work. Here, did not work. So many times it did not work because clearly we are in an uptrend, right? So these overbought signals, I just want to be very clear to you guys that when we are looking at overbought signals, we do not want to take them while we're in an uptrend, right? So right now here, clearly we are in an uptrend. So what we do want to wait for a lower high, lower low. Very simple. This is so basic trading, you guys. This is basically, if you buy any course, this is just what they tell you. Wait for a downtrend, and it looks like this. This is a downtrend. And once you have this downtrend, then you can start looking at the RSI. And you can see, for example, here, right? Here, you have a downtrend, clearly downtrend here. And once you have a downtrend, yes, you can go for the easy trade here, right? RSI oversold, boom, here. This here you got a good trade. But if you don't wait for an downtrend and you just go in, right? And you just go in during an uptrend, it becomes very dangerous. So technically, this is an uptrend, and this was just a downtrend within an uptrend. So had you gone in here, yes, this here would have worked actually. Here, no, it did not work, right? Here, none of these really worked. You could argue that this here worked here. You could argue that this worked here, but this definitely did not work when you're in a very strong uptrend. So you can see this strategy is very simple. Just wait for RSI to get overbought. Super simple strategy. Anybody could do it. Just make sure that you are in a downtrend. So when there is another downtrend again, perhaps it closes lower 2 days in a row, then yes, you can explore waiting for overbought signals before you go in for the short. Trading does not have to be very complicated. Now, Cow Protocol, I don't think there's anything wrong with this project at all. It was launched quite long since 2022, and now it's broken all-time high. Market cap 300 million, fully diluted VAT market cap of about 1.14 billion. For these DAO swap protocols, market cap usually, and I'm not saying all of them, obviously you have some unicorns, but a lot of them really don't last for too long up here with this big market caps. Eventually they always come down. So if we look at the scanner, we can see, the largest amount transfer was here, November 6th, and this coincidentally coincides with their launch on Binance. So it coincides with their launch here on Binance on November 6th. So whoever got in here, this is pretty much the base price right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if price, came all the way down through here, but we don't know how high this can go during the bull market. But what we do know is that as soon as we see a big red candle on the daily, right, there is a chance that we can go short. So number one, market cap is at 300M. Okay, fully diluted market cap is at 1.1 billion, which is very high. So what we're going to do next, wait for downtrend. Okay, so it can be one big red day or two big red days. And then after that, wait for overbought signal on RSI cross above 70, right? That's when the RSI cross above 70. And then from there, we can short, and aim for a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. That is how simple it is to trade these kind of coins, right? It's not rocket science, it's not very complicated. You can see a huge transfer here, right, on Binance. Before that, this was when the coin just launched. And now, we're on Binance, so it might go up a little bit, but as a DAO, it's not a layer one, it's just a DAO. And these kind of coins, I don't think they can generate enough hype really to sustain its market cap at these levels. At the next bear market, this is definitely going to go down. So this is definitely a trade to keep a lookout for, especially once it goes above here. If it hits market cap of 1 billion, right, we're definitely looking for the downtrend days. Here we're just going to look for the downtrend days. Wait for the downtrend days. Wait for overbought, and then we're going to short with a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. And that is how you keep yourself consistent in the market. Just be patient and wait. All right, these coins eventually they have to go down. Why? Because people have to sell. They have to sell, they have to take profit, they have to take their money, and you will take your money along with them. So I hope that makes sense. Cow protocol, definitely at this point, it's very difficult for me to recommend a buy. During this bull cycle, yes, it might continue going up, but in a few months, in a few weeks, maybe, as soon as we get a downtrend, these coins, easily, they can go down very easily. So until then, trade safe out there. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video.